Hey everybody, Pots and Paints here. Welcome to my channel. I began my interest in the arts at a very young age. I went on to achieve a degree in painting. My work tends to feature a strong use of color and a bold use of line. I have a strong interest in vintage ephemera, film, and music. All of these things have a strong impact on my artwork. I also make my own music, and most of the music on this channel is by me. One of my favorite hobbies is making chocolate, straight from the bean. My favorite artists all have a strong use of color and line. My favorite potters all have a confident use of line and shape and are very individualistic in style. I began a strong interest in making pottery in about 2020. I work at my home studio and I also share space at a community studio. I'm currently exploring several forms of ceramics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.